Hi everyone, and welcome to Mindful Monday with the spiritual scientist, myself, Maria Afantakis, and this wonderful nature video with the bees and the lavender. In this video, we'll introduce the card of the week. We will then begin the breathing exercise to regulate your heart rate and fill your lungs with air, followed by grounding and aligning your chakras, or as some may know them as energy points in your body, all in preparation for a nice guided meditation at the end to help you feel nice and relaxed to begin the week. Today is week 15 and the card of the day is networking. This card is relating to building relationships and working in a collaborative way to connect and grow your community, just like the way the bees work together. Bees transfer pollen between flowering plants, helping plants grow, breed and produce food, keeping the cycle of life turning. More than 90% of the leading global crop types are visited by bees, including a vast range of foods, cottons for the clothes we wear, as well as around 80% of the beautiful wild flowers in Europe, and of course, the lovely lavender in this park. The decline, which is about 1 in 4 of the population of wild bees over the years, is very concerning, and we must help them as humans, as bees align with the seasons and Mother Nature, helping to keep our human lives in balance with everything around us. Information from the WWF has said that in a study done, 17 species of bees have been extinct due to a decrease in diversity of flowering plants and climate change, as well as their habitats being destroyed. When bees live near a rich array of different wild flowers they can collect nectar and pollen from, their chances of survival year after year increases dramatically. We must help the bees, and we can do this by protecting their habitats, making our gardens bee-friendly, such as planting new flowers and keeping the garden wild, such as No Mow May, which we have seen in many parks this year. Bees live in social colonies, but who knew they were such great networkers, keeping the whole cycle of life turning? So now we will go on a journey to connect deeply to our base chakra. The crystals for this meditation are dark red crystals, such as a ruby crystal. If you'd like to use essential oil today, place a drop of rose on the palm of your hand and breathing deeply. The affirmation for our meditation today is, I am collaborating, I am connecting, and I am building. Let's repeat that 2 more times. I am collaborating, I am connecting, and I am building. 1 more time. I am collaborating, I am connecting, and I am building. Now it's time for you to sit back in your chair with your feet firmly on the ground. Close your eyes, and if you'd like to receive healing, have the palms of your hands upwards. Otherwise, just enjoy the relaxing meditation. So let's pay attention to our breath. Listen and connect to your own unique rhythm. When you breathe in, concentrate on bringing in fresh oxygen into your lungs. And when you breathe out, let go of any energy that no longer serves you. Breathe deeply in for 3 seconds and then out for 3. In for 3 and out for 3. 1 more time. In for 3 and out for 3. Now I'd like you all to imagine that just beneath your feet there are strong brown roots, just like those from a tree going into the ground. The roots go deeper and deeper into the ground until they reach the core of the earth. Imagine now that these roots are wrapping themselves around the core of the earth and you may feel like pull here now. This is to ground your energy and establish a connection to planet Earth. Let us align and activate our 13 chakras now. So we begin with the Earth Star chakra, just beneath your feet. This is the chakra that connects your energy to planet Earth. You may feel pulsation there now as we activate this chakra, and also you may see a flash of dark pink. Now moving up to the root on the base of your feet. This is our chakra of grounding. As we align and activate this now, you may see a ruby red flash. Now moving up to the sacral in the reproductive area, chakra of creativity. As we activate and align this now, you may see a flash of orange. Now moving up to the solar plexus, our chakra of power and confidence, we're aligning and activating this now, and you may see a flash of yellow. Now moving up to the navel, our chakra of movement energy. As we align and activate this now, you may see a flash of peach. Now moving up to the heart and upper heart, chakra of love, compassion and healing. As we activate and align this now, you may see flashes of green and pink. Now moving up to the throat, our chakra of communication. Again, as we activate and align this now, you may see a flash of blue. Now moving to the third eye, our chakra of intuition. As we align and activate, you may see a flash of violet now. Now our crown, our chakra of communication to the spiritual world, and we activate and align this now, you may see flashes of white, gold and silver. Finally, let us activate the 3 ascension chakras, the causal, the soul star and the stellar gateway. Now all our chakras are aligned and activated. I would also like to send healing in each of the chakras where it is needed to unblock any energy that has been stuck within these chakras. So now I want you all to imagine that you're standing in a meadow of lavender and many other beautiful flowers. The smell is amazing and it's overwhelmingly beautiful here. It's making you feel extremely calm and relaxed. You then start hearing buzzing of bees around you. As you turn around and you see the bee just land onto a flower, as it sucks and takes in the nectar and carries the pollen. You also then see the bee fly off to a different plant now. You now see a small team of bees that are working bees, and they're all working together to bring the juice of all the flowers in the meadow to start to build their honeycomb in order to make lots of delicious honey. It's such a wonderful place to be here in nature, and it's amazing how these wonderful insects work as a community. Now, as you sit down in the middle of the meadow, while all the bees around you are collecting nectar and also aiding pollination, you feel the ground beneath your feet, and you're barefoot now, and you feel that you have a strong connection to the element of earth, and this is really helping you ground your energy and feel really connected to your environment. Imagine now that on your lap a notebook and a pen appear, and then you take the pen and write down ways in which you can collaborate in your work, home and relationships to build a wonderful community and network. So as you jot this down now, you feel really energized and connected. So now it is time for us to return where we began our meditation. And remember, you may visit this space whenever you need to. So now when you feel ready, you may wriggle your toes and fingers and open your eyes. And once you open your eyes, if you want to write in your journal your ideas and thoughts, you had during this meditation. Do you have a connection with the bees? What have you learned from the bees? Thank you everyone for watching, and please submit any comments or questions below. I'd love to hear in the comments below if you have a favourite flower that you love to visit in the summer and see bees pollinating. Remember to click and subscribe to the Spiritual Scientist channel for more mindfulness meditation. And I will see you all next Monday. Have a lovely week, everyone.